Hey guys, real quick because I've been getting a lot of messages asking in the comment section asking me about this site. So let me go on here. Hopefully you guys are watching so that you can see how to get your information. So, okay, I went to the irs.gov coronavirus. It brings you here. All right. So you're going to go to scroll down. No, you're going to go here. Sorry. You're going to go to check your payment status. Okay. See how fast my computer is today. Then you're going to scroll down to where it says it's harder on the phone, but now I'm on my computer. So you're going to go down to where it says non-filers, enter your payment information. Click on non-filers. Now, when it comes up, it's going to have all this information. You just go straight down to where it says enter your information. Now, we already know that what's going to come up kind of looks like that you're filing taxes, but you're not filing taxes. It just says here, see, non-filers, enter payment info. So again, go to www.irs.gov/coronavirus, go to the get my payment information, and then right here you're going to see where it says free file. It's fast, it's safe, etc. Don't click on anything else up here. If you are not supposed to file, if you're under the limit, go straight to get started. I hope you guys can see this. Now, you see how it says non-filers enter payment info? You should be there. This is what it looks like, the link. And then you're going to go to create an account. So if you don't have a user ID, if you haven't ever created an account, you don't have a user ID. So you're going to go over here to where it says create an account, and you're going to start putting your information in. So someone just asked me user ID. You make that up yourself. Okay. So you're going to put in your address, your email address if you have one. Hopefully you have one. If you don't have one, set one up real quick with Gmail or Yahoo or whoever you want to use. Put your email address in there and then go to user ID. That's going to be whatever you want it to be. It could be your name and a number or whatever, but make sure it's for you and that you remember it, because somebody else, like if your name is John Smith, somebody else might have the same name as you, John Smith, and you can't use John Smith. So you might want to use John Smith 2020, I don't know, or the date, the year you were born. And then make sure you don't have to put your phone number in there, but they say it's recommended, but I rarely give out my phone number. And then you enter your password, and that's the password that you want it to be, whatever that is. But please try to remember it. So I would suggest writing down your user ID and writing down your password, because I know me, I can't always remember. And then you're going to go to remember me and then create your account. Okay, so that's how you create your account. Now, when you go in here, I hope I can remember what I signed in with. That's what I was talking about, signing in. I can't even remember what I put. Let's see. And when you're going to go in there, you're going to put the user ID you just made and your password, and then click remember me and sign in. From there, once you sign in, it should take you to the non-filers form. I might have to create an account real quick. Hold on, you guys. Let me create an account real quick so that I can help you with this. So I'm going to create a real quick account. Hold on. Bear with me. Okay. I hope you guys are still there. Don't go away. I'm really going to help you. Okay, I created an account. They sent it to me. Continue. So see, you got to remember your password because okay, so now it takes you here. I don't know how it locked me in, but okay. So it takes you here. See how that says non-filers enter payment information? It should definitely take you here. This is a free file fillable product. This is not a tax return. It's not like a tax return. And I mean, it's similar. It kind of looks like it, but it's not. And then again, you're going to go here. You're going to click single, put in your information. You're going to scroll down, put your address and everything in there. If you have dependents, put your dependents information in there, their social. You make sure you have your social, make sure everything is accurate. What the dependent is to you might be your child or your stepchild. Again, scroll down, and then you're going to enter your routing number, checking account, etc., and your account number. Okay, and then this is all left blank. Now you're going to click here. It says done with this form. You're going to click there and go to the next form. It's not going because I didn't fill out any information. Let me fill the information out. Okay. All right. Just making up something for you guys so I can hurry up and get you in here. Okay, let's scroll down. We're not going to put any dependents in there, but if you have dependents, make sure you put that information in. You're going to put in your routing number, checking account, and you're going to put in your account number. Okay? Then you're going to click here where it says continue to step 2. Once you get to step 2, this is where you're entering information that they're asking for. So again, I told you before, the AGI is your adjusted gross income, and you would either use your if you did not file 2018 or 2019, you make sure you put 0. And then as you go down, there's no information to put in the PIN number because you didn't file last year. Today's date is already pre-populated. You put in your cell phone number if you want, and then you put in the 5 digits number that you want to choose. I would usually put in the last 5 digits of my client's social security number. You put in whatever you feel you want it to be, but remember, make sure that you remember that. Your date of birth. If you have driver's license information or account or ID, you put that information in there. And then once you finish that, they say they're going to send you your information to your email address, and then you click continue to e-file. So not at all. You should not have an actual like 1040 that you're filling out. You're just filling out this form to put in your general information, okay? And then you're gonna put in your bank account information down here, and then you're gonna go here and you're gonna put in all of the information that they're asking. Definitely, if you did not file taxes last year, this is for non-filers. If you didn't file taxes last year, you're gonna put 0. And then you're going to enter all of that information and then submit. You should get an email confirmation saying that the information is in there. And then not long after, maybe about wait 5 to 10 minutes after you enter this information, you can then go to where we started. At the coronavirus site. I hope you guys can see this because this looks wacky to me. Okay, you're gonna go back over here and you can say check your payment status, and then you have the ability to go here to get my payment. Now that you've entered your information, and then go to get my payment. Okay, so many steps. And then you should definitely be able to put in your social, your date of birth, your address that you just provided in that other form. So make sure the same information you provided in the form that we just filled out, you provide that here. Push continue, and it should give you the date that you should be receiving your stimulus check. Or if they don't have that, actually no, it will not give you the date. I'm sorry, it will not give you the date you're going to receive your stimulus check, but it will say that we have your information. It will show you your direct deposit information, and then it will go from there. So I hope this helped you guys. Again, if you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely go live again and walk through this with you, so that you can get as much help as needed. Okay, thank you. Bye.